Hello everyone, we have another question here. This is actually my 28th problem of advanced SAT math. So in the xy plane, aligned with the equation y equals 2y equals c, for some constant c intersects a parabola at exactly one point. Okay, when they say that, there's a good chance we have to pull out the discriminant formula and set that equal to 0. Okay, so that's something that should pop in your mind when you read this. And next sentence said, if the parabola has the equation, what's the value of c? Very classic, and we actually had a very similar question. I don't know which one it was, which number it was on my number, but there was a very similar to this question. So let's start with the y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 9x, and we also have 2y is equal to c. If you rewrite these in terms of c, then y is equal to c over 2. Just divide 2 on both sides. And you can substitute where the y is. We get c over 2 is equal to negative 2x squared plus 9x. And we need to write this in standard form. So if you consider c over 2 as a number, just subtract c over 2 on both sides and leave the left side equal to 0. We have negative 2x squared plus 9x minus c over 2. It's totally up to you if you want to keep a positive a value by multiplying negative 1, but it's not completely necessary. So once I get this standard form of quadratic function, now to get only one solution, I need to pull out my discriminant b squared minus 4ac and set that equal to 0. So in my formula here, I have a equals negative 2, b is equal to 9, and c equals, okay, c and c is kind of confusing, but just bear with me. You can say c prime if you don't want to get confused, but this is just to use this to our discriminant formula, okay? So yes, let's plug it in. B equals 9, so 9 squared, so it goes in here, and A goes in here, and the C goes in here. So 9 squared minus 4 times negative 2, and we plug it in negative C over 2, and set that equal to 0. 9 squared is 81. When you have a negative that are multiplied 3 times, overall it will be minus. So 4 times 2 give you 8, 8 over 2 give you 4, it gives you 4c equals 0, and let's add 4c on both sides, and c is equal to 81 over 4, that's something you can put in. If you get this as a decimal, you can just say 81 over 4, you can write it as 20.25 also as a decimal, okay, 20.25. Alright, so thank you very much, and until next time.